Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in the new Heritage trim, giving you a bit of a retro look back to the original Broncos, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine with four-wheel drive capabilities. The Heritage Edition gives you things such as the old classic Bronco badges. You've got the white roof, white rims, and the white surround up here with the red lettering, very poppy, with the hot chili pepper red. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you've got these tie-down points with little lassos on them on either side. You've got a 12-volt power outlet and the button to activate your cargo lights here in the hatch, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three. The whole interior is this sort of cloth with a plaid pattern, also tying back to the old Bronco style. You've got fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two USB-Cs down there in the middle. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches and molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your My View, your driver assistance features and settings, your Now Playing, phone controls, further information about your vehicle, and your trip information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. You have this little tray here, and then your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selectors for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room and two more USB-Cs in there. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested in a new Bronco Sport with a bit of retro style, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.